Hello everyone, today we're diving into a quick comparison of three CAD powerhouses, Ondsel, Onshape, and Solidworks. Let's break down what each one is and which one is best for your needs. Let's go. First up we have Ondsel. Built on the open source FreeCAD, Ondsel enhances it with a user-friendly interface, cloud collaboration, and professional support. It's great for hobbyists, small teams, and those who want flexibility without high costs. You get parametric modeling, assemblies, and basic simulation with local and cloud storage options. It's affordable with a free tier and paid plans starting low. Next we have Onshape. This is a fully cloud-based CAD platform known for real-time collaboration and built-in PDM. It's perfect for remote teams and fast-paced projects. Onshape offers robust modeling tools but lacks native CAM or advanced simulation, requiring add-ons. It's subscription-based, pricier than Onsel, and needs a stable internet connection. Finally, we have Solidworks, the industry standard for desktop CAD. It's packed with advanced features like complex simulations, rendering, and CAM integration. It's ideal for large enterprises and detailed engineering projects. However, it's expensive, requires powerful hardware, and isn't cloud-native, though cloud hosting is available. So, how do they stack up? Let's check the chart. Onsel shines for cost-conscious users and open-source fans, offering flexibility for small projects. Onshape is the go-to for cloud-based collaboration and team workflows. And SolidWorks dominates for heavy-duty engineering with unmatched capabilities but at a premium price. So, which is best? If you're a hobbyist or small business, go with Onsel for affordability. Team needing real-time collaboration should pick Onshape, and for complex high-end projects, SolidWorks is king. Choose based on your budget, team size, and project complexity. That's it, guys. Let us know your favorite CAD tool in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.